Uthini mngane, ngiyakwamukela njalo ku-speakndebele.com. Igama lami nguNtando. That's what's up, my friend. Welcome you to speakndebele.com. My name is Ntando. Now we're continuing with our series, Mastering the Ndebele Tongue, and we'll be exploring all the unique and very, very beautiful isiNdebele sounds. Now today we're doing part 3, and we'll be exploring the C sound and its variations. That's C, CH, and GC. So let's get right into it. To make the C sound is made at the very front part of the mouth, okay? You begin by firmly attaching the tip of your tongue to the inner surface of your top front teeth, okay? Top front teeth. Make sure you create a tight vacuum between your teeth and your tongue, and then you make a sucking, suction-like sound as you release your tongue quickly from the surface of your teeth into the C click sound, and it should sound something like this. Okay, try it with me. One more time. Good. Now let's explore a couple of words with the C sound. Amabala alomsindo ga. Okay, we've got cija, cija. That's something that's sharp or pointy. Cija, kucijile, cija. Okay. Ezuga, ezuga. That's to chip or to be chipped. Ezuga, ezugile, ezuga. Okay. Cela, that's to ask. Cela, or to request. Cela. All right. Capula, capula. That's to offend a person or to annoy someone. Capula. Ungicapulile. They really offended me. Okay. Cambalala, cambalala. That's to lie down or to take a rest. Cambalala. Very good. Let's move on to CH. Now, to make the CH sound, it's also made in the front part of the mouth. You begin by firmly attaching the tip of your tongue to the inner surface of your top front teeth. Make sure you create that tight vacuum between your teeth and your tongue, and then make that sucking, suction-like sound. But this time, you're going to breathe gently into the sound as you release your tongue quickly from the surface of your teeth into the CH click sound, and it should sound something like this. Say it with me. One more time. Very good. Okay, now let's explore a couple of words with the sound. Amabala alomsindo ga. Okay. Uchago, uchago. Okay, can you hear that breathing into the sound? Uchago. That's milk. Uchago. Okay. Totoza. Totoza, that's to complain about or to criticize. Totoza, all right? Isichibi. Isichibi is a lake or a pond. Isichibi, all right? Chola. Chola, that's to crush or to grind. Chola. Chola, okay? And ichata. Ichata. Okay, ichata is like a stain or a mark or a spot. Ichata. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to GC. Now GC is made also in the front part of the mouth. Now you firmly attach the tip of your tongue to the inner surface of your top front teeth. Make sure you create that tight vacuum between your teeth and your tongue, and then make that sucking suction sound, but this time you're going to grunt heavily into the sound as you release your tongue quickly from the surface of your teeth into the GC click sound. So it should sound something like this. Say it with me. Very good. Let's explore a couple of words with the sound. Gcwalisa, that's to fill up. Gcwalisa. Isigaba, it's like a small grass mat that you sit on. Isigaba. Gcoba, gcoba is to apply or to lather or to spread over. Gcoba, okay? Igceke is an open space or expanse. Igceke. And isigcuma. Isigcuma, that's the leg. Very good. There you have it. Those are the C click sounds. Now don't forget to check out our other sounds, the Q sounds, the X sounds, the cheek and teeth sounds, okay, the softened sounds, and the N variations in our other lessons. Now you can register for your free learning account at Ndebele 101 at speakndebele.com, and subscribe to us on YouTube up there. Click subscribe. Friend us on Facebook because we want to be your friend. Also, we would love to see you over at our website, so visit us at www.speakndebele.com. That's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Yimi untando salani guhle. Bye-bye for now.